We're here at EKG test, but it seems like they have a hard time putting the sticker on trend. But her lung is wheezing again. I guess it must be the walk here. I'm trying to recording her lung, but she's basically... You okay, Trang? Are you comfortable? Let me lift up your head for you. You alright? Okay. Your lung's wheezing, huh? Oh, make some weird sounds. Ooh, this doesn't sound right. You okay? Can you breathe? Can you breathe or no? Can you breathe?
Yeah.
You can breathe? Okay.
Không bắn à. Không bốn à.
Let me hear your lung. Hi. Sorry, I'm just listening to recording her lungs because it's wheezing again. I just want to hear the sound. Yeah.